In this tutorial, I walk you through the steps to easily conceal all your photos, posts and videos on Facebook from the public eye. Make sure to stick around till the end of the video to avoid any missteps. Let's jump right in, folks. First thing first, fire up the Facebook app on your device. Head over to the menu, then tap on your profile picture to navigate to your Facebook profile. Next, right next to Edit Profile, tap on the three dots and dive into the activity log. At the top, you'll find your Facebook activity. Simple tap on it to expand, and here you'll find your posts. Tap on Manage Posts to see all the posts on your Facebook profile. To filter them, tap on Add Filters, select Categories, and choose your post photos and videos to filter accordingly. Scroll down to load more posts as it only displays a certain amount initially. To select all photos, videos and posts, scroll down to the very bottom. Once all content is loaded, tap on All to select everything. Then tap on the three dots and select Change Audience. Here you can choose the privacy level for the selected content, whether it's public, friends or only me. Select your preference and hit Change. Similarly, you can hide posts from the other categories in the same manner by selecting the appropriate category and following them steps. Now let's address how to hide posts where others have tagged your. Scroll down in your Facebook activity to find activity you are tagged in. Then hit over to Manage Tags. Here you can find posts or photos where you've been tagged by other users and hide yourself from them in the same way. By following these steps, you can ensure your privacy on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.